We left Cartagena and spent the night at sea before getting to the entrance to the Panama Canal. And then we spent the day transiting the Panama Canal from the Caribbean to the Pacific Ocean. Interesting thing about the Panama Canal is that you would think going from the Caribbean to the Pacific, you'd go from east to west, but because the way the country and the canal are oriented, you actually go from northwest to southeast. Now, in this particular passage, we had crocodile for company. And once you get through the first series of locks, you spend several hours crossing Lake Gatun. And after you get to Lake Gatun, there's another series of locks. Another interesting thing about the canal, there are no pumps. It's all gravity fed, and they rely on heavy rainwater to fill the lake, and then the lake fills the locks. We're exiting the final lock on our way out of the Panama Canal and into a tributary into the Pacific Ocean. This is one of the lock gates right there. It's enormous. You can see that it's about 25-30 feet wide. The canal is about 50 feet deep, and that thing is another 30 feet above the water line, so they are pretty big gates. And believe it or not, they're hollow. You can see all the way through. Built with really strong steel. And as we come out of the canal, that was the last lock. And now we're at sea level. So the wall beyond the gates gradually gets lower. And that's where we are now, coming out. And now we're at Pacific Ocean sea level. On our way to Panama City, which is in the distance. We had a little bit of rain, and we may have some more. It's just the way things are in Panama. But we're hoping to get into Panama City tonight and or tomorrow. So goodbye to the Panama Canal. It took us a whole day from about 8 in the morning until now, which is about 5:30 in the afternoon. As you can see, we're moving very slowly, maybe 1 to 2 knots at the most. But as soon as we clear the canal entrance, we'll pick up speed and make our way down to the city. Once we got to Panama City, we had dinner, and then we went ashore. Panama City was the only place where we stopped overnight and went ashore, but we didn't spend much time there. We came back to the ship and got ready for the next day.